The digital world is constantly changing. Keeping up with the latest trends is daunting. It requires time, money, and expertise. Many businesses struggle to keep up. They lack resources or knowledge. This results in missed opportunities. Traditional methods are no longer enough. Businesses need a strong online presence. ONPASSIVE can provide the solution, but before we get started, please subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. ONPASSIVE is an innovative platform. It is designed to address the challenges of digital marketing. This AI-powered platform offers a suite of tools and services. These tools are designed to automate and optimize digital marketing efforts. ONPASSIVE's mission is to empower businesses. It helps them succeed in the digital world. At its core, ONPASSIVE is about making digital marketing easier. It does this by taking care of the complex and time-consuming tasks. This allows businesses to focus on what they do best. ONPASSIVE's AI technology works behind the scenes. It analyzes data and identifies trends. This helps businesses make informed decisions about their marketing strategies. ONPASSIVE is more than just a set of tools. It's a complete digital marketing ecosystem. It provides businesses with everything they need to succeed online. This includes website building, email marketing, and social media management. ONPASSIVE's comprehensive approach ensures that businesses have all the resources they need in one place. By simplifying digital marketing, ONPASSIVE levels the playing field. It gives businesses of all sizes the opportunity to compete in the digital world. With ONPASSIVE, businesses can streamline their marketing efforts. They can also achieve sustainable growth without the overwhelm of traditional digital marketing. ONPASSIVE is packed with features. These features are designed to revolutionize the way businesses approach digital marketing. One of the standout features is automation. ONPASSIVE automates many of the repetitive tasks associated with digital marketing. This frees up businesses to focus on more strategic initiatives. Another key feature is AI-driven personalization. ONPASSIVE uses artificial intelligence to personalize the customer experience. It analyzes customer data to deliver targeted content and offers. This ensures that marketing efforts are more effective. It also leads to higher conversion rates. ONPASSIVE doesn't stop there. It also provides a comprehensive suite of tools. These tools cover every aspect of digital marketing. From website building to email marketing, ONPASSIVE has it all. This eliminates the need for businesses to use multiple platforms. It simplifies the digital marketing process. Finally, ONPASSIVE boasts a global reach. With a presence in multiple countries, ONPASSIVE enables businesses to expand their reach. It helps them connect with customers worldwide. This global focus makes ONPASSIVE the ideal solution for businesses looking to expand their operations internationally. ONPASSIVE offers a diverse range of tools. These tools streamline digital marketing efforts. OConnect is a powerful video conferencing platform. It enhances real-time collaboration. OTracker provides deep insights into website traffic. OMail automates email campaigns. OneEt empowers businesses on social media. Overify ensures user legitimacy. Integrating ONPASSIVE into a business model yields numerous benefits. One significant advantage is increased efficiency and productivity. By automating repetitive tasks, ONPASSIVE frees up valuable time and resources. This allows businesses to focus on core operations and strategic planning. Scalability is another key benefit of using ONPASSIVE. Whether a business is a startup or a large enterprise, ONPASSIVE solutions can adapt to its needs. As businesses grow, ONPASSIVE scales alongside them. This ensures that their digital marketing efforts remain effective regardless of their size. ONPASSIVE prioritizes user experience. The platform features user-friendly interfaces. These interfaces make it easy for anyone to navigate and utilize its tools. This eliminates the need for extensive technical expertise. It empowers business owners and employees to take control of their digital marketing efforts. In today's digital landscape, data security is paramount. ONPASSIVE understands this and has implemented robust security measures. The platform safeguards business and customer data, providing peace of mind. With ONPASSIVE, businesses can focus on their operations without worrying about data breaches or security threats. Finally, ONPASSIVE is committed to providing sustainable solutions. The platform helps businesses reduce their environmental footprint by streamlining operations and minimizing waste. By choosing ONPASSIVE, businesses contribute to a more sustainable future while reaping the benefits of cutting-edge technology. For more information about ONPASSIVE and how to make your marketing efforts successful, please go to the description below. Thank you and have an awesome day.